Hey guys, we're giving you one last chance to save 25% off the entire website on orders of $30 and above. And for the first 5,000 customers, we're gonna be giving you a limited edition Reshuvenator dust bag. You definitely wanna cop this, guys, so make sure you use promo code LASTCHANCE at checkout. This ends tomorrow, so go quickly, guys. Peace.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this episode of Restoration with Vic. For today's episode, we're gonna be taking care of these black Air Force Ones that I just picked up from the park. This is my brother Jared. He's a great photographer. He does a lot of shooting around Phoenix and he knows all the cool spots. When I told him I was hunting for a pair of Air Force Ones, he showed me a pair at a basketball court close by. To be honest, I'm wondering if they're his. I do not know where these shoes have been at. They do belong to a stranger's feet, so we are gonna be wearing some gloves throughout this process. These shoes are super trash. We do have a lot of creasing, a lot of scratches all over the toe box, some heel drag. The checks are coming off in some areas, but they're not unsalvageable. We're gonna be using Reshuvenator products to make the shoe look brand new once again. Stay tuned to the very end of the video because we are giving away one of our Reshuvenator holiday boxes. Let's get into this restoration. For this cleaning, you guys, we're gonna be using Reshuvenator Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit Bundle, as well as our mat and our laundry pods. The first thing we're gonna do is put this to the side for before and after purposes and remove our laces. Laces are out, same thing with the insole. Now let's grab our shoe tree, adjust it to the size real quick. This shoe has a lot of creasing, you guys, so the shoe tree is definitely gonna help remove a lot of this creasing after the cleaning's done. Good to go with that. Now let's grab our bottle of solution and squirt some squirts into our bowl. I do want to mention, you guys, that this is going to be the easiest cleaning I've ever done. Generally, all black shoes are really easy to clean. It doesn't take much to it, but the main focus here is disinfecting the shoe. We did find these shoes outside in the park. It's kind of gross, so we're going to focus a lot on the insides. Once you put them in the washing machine and let them dry, this shoe should be fully disinfected and cleaned up. So we're going to start off by using our soft bristle brush to start breaking down all the dirt on the uppers. So far so good with the uppers, you guys. While we're at it with the soft bristle brush, we're gonna take out our shoe tree and focus on the insides of the shoe. For this part, we're gonna do a lot of scrubbing. All right, good to go with the insides. My hand hurts from all the scrubbing. Between the scrubbing and the washing machine, the insides of the shoe should be good to go. Now we're gonna go back to the uppers. We're good to go with the soft bristle brush for now. Let's put the shoe tree back inside and move on to our medium bristle. We're gonna go over the uppers one more time to make sure we got all the stains, dirt, and grime off the shoe. Okay, that's it for the uppers, you guys. I think I did a pretty good job with the scrubbing. Again, like I mentioned, the washing machine will take care of anything I might have missed. Now, onto the last brush, which is our stiff bristle. We'll use these to take care of the sole. All right, that's it for this shoe, you guys. Now let's grab our insole and shoelaces. For our insole, we'll be using our soft bristle brush to give it a nice scrub. And then for our laces, we'll just put it inside our leftover solution in water. We'll just do that now. All right, let's grab our laces and give it a quick pre-treatment. That's gonna wrap it up for the pre-treatment of the shoe. Now let's grab our laundry bag. Open this up, stick our shoe inside, as well as our insole and laces. Close it up. Grab our laundry pods and let's head over to the laundry. All right, now I almost forgot. Usually I put my detergent pot inside the single laundry bag. Didn't this time, we'll just kind of throw it in there. Close it up. As always, when you're washing a pair of shoes, you want to use cold water with the regular cycle. We are back, YouTube. We got the shoe out of the washing machine. We let it sit outside for a few hours. It is fully dried and ready to go. I'm not wearing gloves anymore because this shoe is disinfected and clean thanks to our signature shoe cleaning kit from Reshuvener. Now moving on with this restoration, we got all that grime and dirt off the shoe, so now I can see the real damage that is on the shoe. So for example, we do have some scuffing right here in the toe box. We do have some creasing and this track is coming off. These are all simple things that we can fix without a problem. We're gonna start off by taking care of these scuffs on the toe box. We'll be using some sandpaper to smooth it all out before the paint job. All done with the toe box, got it nice and smooth, it's ready for the paint job. Just so you guys know, I started off with the 320 grit and then worked my way up to the 600. You want to start off rough, get rid of all that rough stuff, and then finish off with the 600 to get it nice and smooth, to get that nice flat finish for the paint job. Like I said, we'll come back to the paint job in just a bit. Right now we're going to focus on the swoosh. It is coming apart. We are going to be using a sewing machine to take care of that. If you guys don't have a sewing machine, you guys can sew it by hand, but it'll take a lot longer. Before we do so, we're going to grab some pliers and clean up the old thread. All done with this part. Like I said, super easy, it looks factory. Now, Air Force Ones are famous for their creasing. We're gonna take care of that using the iron method. We're gonna stuff the toe box using some old rags. Then with a wet t-shirt, we're gonna place it over the toe box and simply iron it out. All done with this step, you guys. This looks a lot better. It's not 100% perfect because the shoe is still pretty used, but if you look at it from this angle and a top point of view, the majority of the creasing is fully out. Now we're gonna move on to laying down the paint on the uppers. We're gonna tape off the soles and uppers for this step. Realistically, the only part that needs paint is the toe box area, but I'm just gonna go ahead and paint the entire upper while I'm at it. Just because there is a lot of random scuffing all around the shoe. You can't see it right away, but if you look at it in different angles, such as this area right here, you can see some scuffs all around. So we're just gonna give the whole shoe a brand new coat of paint so the shoe can look a lot better once it's all done. All taped up, let's lay down our paint. Just so you guys know, off camera, I did hit the leather using acetone and cotton balls to wipe off the entire factory finish so the paint can properly stick to the leather. For this step, we'll be using Jacquard opaque black paint with a little bit of duller to tone down the gloss. Black is laid down, you guys. So far, this is the easiest restoration I've probably ever done. It's looking really good. I'm super happy about how the toe box turned out. It literally almost looks flawless. I'm not gonna say it looks perfect because it's not, but it looks a lot better. The last thing we gotta do is to go outside, spray some chroma matte finish to protect this paint job so we can come back inside and lace it up. That's gonna be it on this full restoration, these black Air Force One, you guys. Like I mentioned in the video, this was a really easy project. Usually all black shoes that need a restoration is really easy to take care of. For this shoe right here, we used our Reshuvener signature shoe cleaning kit to get the shoe fully cleaned up and disinfected. Once that was good to go, we did a lot of prep work on the toe box area specifically. We had some really deep scuffs and scratches. We sanded it down using the sanding method. Then we removed the creasing from the toe boxes. Using a shoe tree and the iron method, we got it back to its original shape. We also gave the shoe an entire paint job, and of course, we sewed the swoosh back onto the shoe. That was pretty much it, you guys. Easy project. If you guys are ever trying to restore a pair of black Air Force Ones, just know it's very easy to do. Now, let's get into the giveaway. We are giving away a Reshuvenated holiday box. All you gotta do is comment down below what year did the Air Force One low come out with your Instagram handle. The winner will be contacted in 72 hours by our social media team. Good luck, everybody. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next Monday.